In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Fortnite on your iPhone 13. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, Fortnite was officially removed from the App Store some years ago. However, there are still ways to play it, including on your iPhone 13 or any other model. These methods are going to be through cloud gaming. Now, if you are in the EU, you will actually be able to download the Epic Games Store application and download Fortnite directly. So if you go to the official Fortnite website, you will see here, in the European Union, players can download Fortnite to their iPhone or iPad or play using cloud gaming. Outside of the EU, players in eligible regions can play Fortnite via cloud gaming, so keep that in mind. If you are in the EU, just look for the option to download the Epic Games Store for mobile, and you will be able to get it downloaded through the App Store or the official Epic Games Fortnite website. Like I said before, if you are outside of the EU, like in the US for example, you will have to play using Xbox Cloud Gaming, GeForce Now, or Amazon Luna. For this video, I recommend using Xbox Cloud Gaming. I believe it is the easiest one to set up and faster to access, but any of those services will work. You have to open up a web browser and go to xbox.com/play. Once you arrive at this website, you will see Fortnite on the list of games. You will have to sign into a Microsoft account before you can play it, and once you are signed in, choose the option to play it. You can also add the Xbox Cloud Gaming website to your home screen, so tap the share button, go to the add to home screen option here, and you can give it a name. Now it's going to act as if you downloaded an app from the App Store, and once it is on your home screen, every time that you tap that icon, it will bring you into this website where you can see Fortnite. When you choose Fortnite, you will sign into a Microsoft and Epic Games account, go through the queue, and you are ready to play. You will have full touch controls, or you can connect an external controller to play, whatever you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fortnite on iPhone 13. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.